Vlog snatched. Okay, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're on that slime trend that died months ago. But you know what?
Finally.
I have been trying to make slime for years, okay? This does not work for me. Today we're at Target. I'm about to go in and get my supplies from my freaking slime. And this time it's happening. Let's go. Welcome to this segment on my channel where I'm trendy as heck, okay? I'm trendy AF. Well, hello.
This is 5, so this is good.
This junk is 10.
No, it's not. It's
I know, but
4.
this 10, this $1.
We get 2.
Maybe
3. These are 5. Recipe call for 4. We get 2.
I want a Starbucks. We'll go to the drive-thru?
Yeah.
Okay. Berry refresher. Hey.
Alright, that's enough of that.
I'll have a strawberry fresher venti. Alright, we're back and we're better. Can you open that recipe?
My mother, come here.
Hello. This is Mary.
4 ounces of glue. So we have 10.
We have 10 because we're making a double.
1.5 bottles of warm water. So we need double 1.5. So that's 3. And then 3 bottles of warm water. What's double teaspoon? 2 teaspoons. Okay. Oh my god. And then 1/2 cup of water, so that's a cup of water. And then that's it.
Okay, so here we go, guys. Oh, this is the best slime video you ever saw. And sorry, we're at a private location right now. This is very
Top secret.
top secret.
Okay.
Like we rented this kitchen. Sorry.
You just squeeze this. You just squeeze it. Squeeze
Okay,
real
never
hard.
mind.
Just squeeze really hard.
All glue into bowl. Dispose of the evidence, because if you're at home and you're 5 years old and you're watching this video and your mom finds out you made a slime in the kitchen, she will get really mad at you because she'll be like, you made a mess without asking. Now you take your water and fill it 4 times on the cup. Let's go.
Is it warm?
Is it? No. Warm it up real nice so your slime has a cozy bed at night. So now we're gonna try to mix this. Now the next thing to do is,
It says add your food coloring.
our food coloring. So we have many options. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Add it.
That's like cool looking, man.
I like it.
Now what?
Now mix 2 teaspoons of borax into a cup of water.
Not cool, Cindy. Just 1, 2. 2 scoop.
To put that in the water. You're supposed to put the borax in the water, Hannah.
We got this in here, so
Stir.
now, okay, we got it mixed finally. So now you're just gonna pour it in. This isn't a tutorial, but I basically know what I'm doing now.
It's
Scrape
getting
this?
thicker.
Should we scrape those chunks?
Ooh, that's cute. Yeah.
Thick.
I like it. Yes.
First impressions.
Ooh.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Is it getting stuck to you?
Yeah, that makes me kind of angry.
That's a freaking lot.
Sounds like someone in the bathroom at school.
Ew.
Okay guys, so our dilemma is we don't really want our slime sticking to our hands that much. So we're about to figure out how the hell do y'all get y'all slime to not stick to y'all's hands the way it does?
Because my hands are sticky.
Alright guys, I've been searching the internet for like better alternatives, and here we are with the shaving cream.
Is it helping?
Yeah. So just keep adding it. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Until you get the consistency you would like. I'm that big. So we moved to a better area.
Homemade cutting board.
You know how they do the ice cream? They're like, a flabbergaster. So now
It's expanding.
we got our freaking glitter. Oh. We're taking these eyeshadow glitters that I had from a while ago, but like I never use them because they're like really weird. Okay. Wow, this is so satisfying. ASMR. Do you like the sound of this slime? Ew. Down to the real question, does this work? No. Just kidding. I feel pretty accomplished because I've never been able, we got a to-go box, obviously. I've never been able to make slime until today. Thank you, Google, for everything you do for me. Like, this is just an emotional second right here.
We're not sponsored.
We're not sponsored by anybody, but you can buy our slime on Amazon, and link it down below. So comment down below if you want to see me try more trends. Anyways, guys, really check out this recipe of slime. It's a great,
be careful with the borax. I think it's actually pronounced borax. I don't know why we keep saying borax.
Borax, barax. Don't give it to your dog.
No.
So what's up to all the 5 and 6-year-olds making slime on the daily? What's up, guys? Subscribe to my channel.
Make sure you don't put this in your carpet. Mom will hit you.
Or your hair. Anyways, guys, for real, hope you enjoyed this video. And I never do outros, so,
bye.
Bye.